Hi, I'm Cameron, Chimpo Powell with LIS Audio. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you how easy it is to remove all of our dress panels. Most of these are either pressure fit or magnetized to be held in place, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is just to pull them all out to get to any of our components in case we need to access them easily in order to replace something, work on something, or what have you. Here we go. There you go. Now everything is easily accessed in order to work on, maintenance, or do whatever we might have to do to tidy up underneath.